Zeta, what did you notice when you were just went through that flow?
I found the visualization really powerful, and it's one that I haven't had before. And so that was super awesome. Yeah, being able to ground or imagine myself grounding to the molten core of the planet, having it come and channel through me out to this network of, I felt like, yeah, tree branch or roots, into the greater wisdom. Yeah, that was pretty awesome. So I don't know. I look forward to doing that again.
Great.
Yeah. Yeah.
And was there like a certain insight or an aha that maybe came that you took from the wisdom that you were able to apply for yourself?
I think more than anything, it was just feeling like being connected.
Yeah.
That was what was so present for me.
Yeah.
And then the point on like the collarbone, I really got how sensitive it is. Which seems kind of wild, like it's sticking out all the time, like it's right there. But when you actually touch on it, and then trying to be consistent with that pressure, anyway, pretty powerful. Yeah. So now I'm excited to work with that
Cool.
point.